Can an SUV really reach 300,000 miles without turning into a money pit? We looked at longevity data, repair costs, major repair risk, fuel economy, and real owner mileage reports. These are 3 SUVs that earned our recommendation and what you need to check before you buy. First is the Toyota Sequoia, model years 2011 through 2022. If you need 3 rows, serious cargo space, and towing ability, this is our full-size pick. The longevity numbers are hard to ignore. IC Cars gives the Sequoia a 39.1% predicted chance of reaching 250,000 miles. The SUV average in the same study was only 4.3%. Under the hood is Toyota's proven 5.7-liter iForce V8, paired with a 6-speed automatic. Owner reports include second-generation Sequoias approaching and passing 300,000 miles with regular maintenance and no major drivetrain failure. RepairPal says about 15% of Sequoia repairs are considered major, right in line with the full-size SUV average. Annual repair costs are estimated at about $642, compared with $784 for the average full-size SUV. And remember, on any older high-mileage SUV, some repair money will eventually go toward normal age-related parts like hoses, mounts, bushings, and suspension pieces, even when the engine is still going strong. The downside is fuel economy, roughly 13 miles per gallon around town and 18 on the highway. If saving gas is your priority, this is not your SUV. Before buying one, check underneath for serious rust. Look for coolant leaks and worn suspension parts, and make sure the transmission shifts smoothly. Buy one with a clean underside and strong maintenance records. Walk away from heavy rust, overheating history, or major leaks. If you can live with the fuel bill, the Sequoia is one of the strongest full-size SUVs we found for genuine 300,000-mile potential. Vehicle number 2 is the 2010 through 2024 Toyota 4Runner. It gives up some space compared with the Sequoia, but it delivers a simpler, rugged package built for long-term use. IC Cars ranks the 4Runner number 2 among SUVs for longevity, with a 32.9% predicted chance of reaching 250,000 miles. Again, the SUV average was only 4.3%. Its 4-liter V6 and 5-speed automatic also have an excellent high-mileage record. One 2010 owner reported nearly 300,000 miles on the original engine and transmission. The bigger repairs along the way were normal wear items, a water pump and front wheel bearings. RepairPal puts the chance of a major repair at 13%, exactly the mid-size SUV average. Estimated annual repair costs are about $514, compared with $573 for the class. Fuel economy is not a strength here either. The 4Runner is built more for toughness than efficiency. The biggest thing to check is underneath. Serious rust can ruin an otherwise excellent 4Runner. Also look for leaks, worn suspension, and signs of hard off-road use. Buy one with a clean underside, good service records, and a smooth test drive. Walk away from heavy rust, obvious abuse, or major leaks. For buyers who want rugged durability without moving into a huge full-size SUV, the 4Runner earns one of our strongest recommendations. If you want the high-riding visibility and utility of an SUV without the massive footprint or fuel bill, our third choice is the 2012 through 2014 Honda CR-V. Now, the CR-V is a compact unibody crossover, not a traditional heavy-duty SUV. But the longevity data says it belongs in this conversation. IC Cars gives the CR-V a 10.6% predicted chance of reaching 250,000 miles, roughly 2.5 times the SUV average. Its sheer number of high-mileage survivors is exactly why it earns an everyday spot on this list. We especially like the 2012 through 2014 models because they use Honda's 2.4-liter 4-cylinder with a conventional 5-speed automatic. One long-term owner documented a 2014 CR-V passing 350,000 miles. This is where the CR-V really separates itself. RepairPal puts its major repair risk at only 9%, compared with 11% for the average compact SUV. Annual repair costs are estimated at about $407, compared with $521 for the class. And unlike our first two SUVs, the CR-V is easy on fuel. The front-wheel drive version was rated at about 23 city, 31 highway, and 26 miles per gallon combined. Before buying, check the oil level, make sure the transmission shifts smoothly, and inspect underneath for rust or leaks. Buy one with regular oil changes, documented transmission fluid service, and a clean inspection. If you do not need towing or 3 rows, the CR-V may be the smartest everyday choice of the 3. So which one should you buy? If you need maximum space and towing ability, choose the Sequoia. If rugged durability matters most, take the 4Runner. And if you want lower fuel and repair costs for everyday driving, the CR-V is our pick. All 3 have genuine 300,000-mile potential, but check the maintenance history, inspect the vehicle, and buy the condition, not the name. And if you want more 300,000-mile picks, watch our other VehicleWise Research guides on 300,000-mile sedans and 300,000-mile SUVs and trucks. Which SUV would you trust for 300,000 miles? Tell us in the comments, and subscribe to VehicleWise Research so you don't miss the next one.